Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad Sangma has made it clear that he will contest the upcoming assembly polls only from South Tura constituency. Amidst the speculation that the Chief Minister contests from two constituencies, Sangma clarified his stand and said he will not be contesting from two seats in 2023. Speaking to reporters, Sangma said that there is no question of him leaving his home constituency, South Tura. He said that he has full faith in his constituency as he have worked very hard in the constituency.
I am only contesting from South Tura constituency, so I'm very clear on that. I have full faith in my constituency. I have worked very hard in my constituency and I have built up. So there's no question of me leaving my constituency as such. In terms of contesting from another constituency, I have not decided on that yet. The party also has not decided on that yet. We will see the situation, how it unfolds. But as I said, my primary constituency, which is South Tura, is the constituency where, as of now and at the moment.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today laid the